To use Roblox Account Manager, make sure that Roblox Manager is already installed to your desktop. Now, click the Roblox Account Manager. Choose between default encryption or password lock. Most recommended is password locked. So click it. Then, create a password. After that, you will need to re-enter your password. Once you're done, click continue. Here you will see the place ID, add account, and remove account. The add account used to add a Roblox username to the Roblox account manager. For the place ID, in here, you will put the game ID of your chosen game in Roblox. Like this. I will find a game here in Roblox. I will choose the Dress to Impress. Then, as you can see to the URL, those numbers represent the game ID. You copy it. And then paste it to the account manager in place ID. That's how Roblox account manager use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.